Welcome back, students. I am Bhavna. Lately, we have been hearing a lot about AI everywhere. But have we ever thought what is the fad with AI and why is everyone talking about it? AI or artificial intelligence is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. So the term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind, such as learning and problem solving. So knowledge engineering is a core part of AI research. Machines can often act and react like humans only if they have abundant information relating to the world. Based on the kinds of tasks that a machine can perform, AI is categorized into two parts. The first being weak AI. Any system that is designed to carry out just one operation is called weak AI. Chess engines are voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and some weak AI systems. Strong AI systems carry on the tasks considered to be human-like. These tend to be more complex and complicated systems. These kinds of systems can be found in applications like self-driven cars like Tesla or in hospital operating rooms. AI has found multiple applications in varied fields like business, gaming, healthcare, banking, and autonomous vehicles like self-driving cars. Recently, we have also been hearing a lot about cryptocurrencies, or we commonly know it as crypto. But do we know the technology behind cryptocurrency? It is the blockchain technology. The blockchain is an encrypted, distributed database that records data. It is a digital ledger of any transaction, contracts that need to be independently recorded. So, blockchain consists of two parts, a block of data and a chain-like connection. Blockchain is essentially connected blocks of data. These blocks can be used to store financial transaction data and are validated by multiple users on the blockchain using validation algorithms. So, scientifically speaking, when a new transaction or an edit to an existing transaction comes into a blockchain, generally a majority of the nodes or users within a blockchain implementation must execute algorithms to evaluate and verify the history of the individual blockchain block that is proposed. If a majority of the nodes come to a consensus that the history and signature is valid, the new block of transaction is accepted into the ledger and a new block is added to the chain of transactions. This distributed consensus model is what allows blockchain to run as a distributed ledger without the need for some central authority. Blockchain has enormous advantages as it allows smart devices to speak to each other better and faster. It allows the removal of intermediaries that are involved in record keeping and transfer of assets. So the data that are entered in blockchain-based systems are immutable or unchangeable, which prevents against fraud. It also brings everyone to the highest degree of accountability. One of the limitations of blockchain is the size of data. Since the transaction data is so huge, it requires huge amount of time and electricity to verify all the transactions. Have you ever wondered what if we could print some equipment just like we print paper? This is no more a science fiction as we now have the technology to support it. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a manufacturing process where a 3D printer creates three-dimensional objects by depositing materials layer by layer in accordance to the object's 3D digital model. So it uses data computer aided design, which is CAD, software or 3D object scanners to direct the hardware to deposit material layer upon layer in precise geometric shapes. As its name implies, additive manufacturing adds material to create an object. 3D printing has found applications in architectural scale models, eyewear, dental products, design of lamps, furniture, etc., reconstructing bones and body parts in forensic pathology, and reconstructing heavily damaged evidence retrieved from a crime scene. Moving forward, we all have seen robots in movies for so many years. So the robots have been in use in industries for more than a decade now. But do we know that we can have software robots as well that run just in a computer system? So robotic process automation or RPA is use of specialized computer programs known as software robots to automate and standardize repeatable business processes. Robotic process automation does not involve any form of physical robots. Software robots mimic human activities by interacting with applications in the same way that a person does. Integrating RPA to our business processes has multiple added benefits. You can get increased accuracy. Unlike humans, RPA can work 24/7 tirelessly and autonomously. Since they are more accurate, it is easier to maintain regularity, compliance standards using RPA. So, RPA finds its applications in customer service by automating contact center tasks and verifying documents and applications. Similarly, RPA can be used in healthcare for handling the patient records. RPA also finds significant use of accounting, supply chain management, and human resource management. We are today using so many technologies that single breakdown of these systems can result in economic breakdown. So these systems can be attacked by bad users to disrupt our lives. Thus, we have a field of technology known as cybersecurity. Cybersecurity involves protecting information and systems from major cyber threats such as cyber terrorism, cyber warfare, and cyber espionage. Ensuring cybersecurity requires coordinated efforts throughout the information system. The cybersecurity specialization covers the fundamental concepts underlying the construction of software systems, from the hardware to software to the human-computer interface with the use of cryptography to secure interactions. The classic model for information security defines three objectives of security: maintaining confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So, confidentiality refers to protecting information from being accused by unauthorized parties. In other words, only the people who are authorized to do so can gain access to sensitive data. A failure to maintain the confidentiality means that someone who should not have access has managed to get it. Integrity refers to ensuring the authenticity of information that is not altered and source of the information is genuine. Sensitive data should not be altered in transit, and security measures such as file permissions and user access controls should be taken to make sure that it cannot be modified by unauthorized users. Availability is the guarantee of reliable and constant access to your service sensitive data by authorized people. In this video, we learned about artificial intelligence or AI, blockchain and cryptocurrencies, robotic process automation or RPA, and cybersecurity. We hope that you have developed a clear understanding about the various concepts of computers that we learned in this course. This is Bhavna signing off. Goodbye.